Army of Two video guide for nextgenwalkthroughs.com. This is the second half of the top of the aircraft carrier. And what the fuck am I looking at? Oh, there we go. So I tried to trigger it right there. Like as soon as you walk across that line, or like right in this area, is about the time when the that chopper comes in. And so if you have a rocket launcher, shoot it like at the mid door as the guys are getting out, and you'll pretty much take care of all of them right away, which makes it a pretty simple task. I killed like 5 or 6 guys that just exploded out of that door all at once. That was pretty awesome. These guys aren't too hard to take out because the chopper drops them off wide out in the open. Oh, damn, I just got torn up. Save me.
Help, Elliot. I need some help.
Come fart on me. I need your farts. Luckily I was behind cover, so not hard to rescue me. Right in the face.
It's good to have you back.
I don't know why the fuck Explicit D's using a silencer right there. Maybe his gun has a silencer on it. I don't know. Now, I don't entirely know why I decided to run way out in the open when there's so many guys down there. But I bet that's why I'm running back to cover right now. So there's a couple objectives you can take care of up here. And I think I actually missed a couple of them because you get money for destroying, I think, 4 different planes. And I don't know why you would want to destroy F1 planes on an American ship. I know you're part of an independent mercenary group, but I didn't think the US military is really the kind of competition you want to be fucking with. That's just me. Oh wait, there's like a skull and crossbones on the tail of that plane. Maybe it's not a US plane.
Hey, good job, guys. Now you just need to get up to the bridge. Over and out.
Rios to Clyde, we're heading towards the control tower. Please advise of your position. Over.
I'll advise you to stay the hell away from me, if you know what's good for you.
Hey Alice, what's up with Clyde? You went
So,
below decks for
if
so
you
long.
haven't already figured out that
Whatever he's doing is not your business.
Clyde is going to be the final boss of the game, and that he's going to betray you at some point, you, well, I don't know. I just remember guessing on the first mission of the game when when Rios and Salem and Clyde all got in a fight when you were in the military, and I said over Xbox Live, that guy's the last boss of the game. He's gonna betray us. And what do you know? Predictable storyline, predictable gameplay. Spoilers. Sorry. Oh, shot in the back. Man, I don't know why shooting one guy gave me all that aggro right there. That was kind of ridiculous. Maybe it's because my partner isn't doing anything again. And then you jump down in the door over here. Whoa, shit. It made the bell noise.
Shit, doesn't look like
Like the area was clear, but there's still one guy left. What the fuck? Oh, damn. He almost killed me there, too. And that's the end of this section.